Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an image in a Canva template. So as you can see, I've got Canva open and I've already got a template selected. Canva offers loads of different templates, so you can go and choose the one that you want and that best suits you. So as you can see, we've already got a picture here at the top, and what we're going to do is we are going to drag one of our images over. So if we come over to the left hand side, as you can see, we've got an image here, and I'm just going to drag it and drop it, and as you can see, it snaps straight into that image, and that's because this is a frame. So if you want to add an image anywhere else within the document, you can do so. You can just drag and drop and click on your image, and then you can resize it and move it wherever you want to. If you want it to snap into a frame, for example, you can do that as well. So if you come over to the left hand side and click on elements, and then what you want to do is, you can see it says frame at the top here. So give that a click. And then if you press see all, and then you can see all the different options that there are available for a frame. So you want to click the one that suits you and your sort of style. So I'm going to click this one here with the wavy lines, and then you can upload your image to it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to drag and drop our image over. Sometimes the sizing of it is a little bit too big. So if you just change the size, and as you go, it is now snapped into that frame for us. And that's it, guys. That is the two different ways that you can add an image in a Canva template. I hope that you found this video useful. If you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.